What treadmill running posture changes stop hip pain? Imagine running on a treadmill without that nagging hip pain slowing you down. It might seem impossible, but small changes in your running posture can make a big difference. When you run on a treadmill, your body adapts to the moving belt, so paying attention to your form is key. First, many runners tend to overstride, which means landing with your foot too far in front of your hips. This creates extra braking force and puts stress on your hip muscles. To fix this, aim to land your foot closer underneath your hips, which helps your stride become more efficient and less jarring. Next, try a slight forward lean from your ankles, not your waist. This position engages your glutes and hip extensor muscles better, reducing strain on your hip flexors. It also promotes a natural running rhythm, especially for sprinting and marathon training. Maintaining a higher cadence, around 170 to 180 steps per minute, can also help. Shorter, quicker steps lessen impact forces and prevent overstriding, which often causes hip pain. Running with a slight incline of about 1 to 2% on the treadmill mimics outdoor conditions and encourages better hip extension. This helps activate the muscles along the back of your legs and hips, reducing stiffness and discomfort. Keeping your pelvis stable is another important factor. Avoid tilting or rotating your hips excessively. Engaging your core muscles supports pelvic alignment and prevents uneven loading that can cause pain. Your foot strike matters too. Landing with your midfoot or forefoot rather than your heel absorbs impact better and reduces stress on your hips. Also, watch your stance width. Standing too narrowly can tighten the iliotibial band, which runs along the outside of your thigh and can cause hip pain. Standing too wide increases lateral hip stress. Aim for a natural hip width stance for smooth, balanced movement. Strengthening your hip stabilizers and flexors off the treadmill also helps. Exercises like clamshells, hip bridges, and single leg squats build muscle support around your hips, making your running form more stable. Lastly, always listen to your body. If you feel your stride lengthening or your posture slipping, slow down and reset. Gradually increase your speed as your strength improves. By focusing on these posture adjustments, you can reduce or even eliminate hip pain during treadmill running. Keep your stride controlled, engage your core, and stay mindful of your form. These small steps can lead to a more comfortable and pain-free running experience, whether you're sprinting or training for a marathon.